Hey there, fellow riders! Jan here from Wunderlich America, and today we are stepping up the comfort game for your Ducati DesertX with the Wunderlich AKTIVKOMFORT seats. These aren't just seats, they are a game changer for your riding experience. To introduce the Ducati DesertX, we've designed these rider and passenger seats with a sleek integrated X design that perfectly complements the DesertX style. Let's start with the rider seat. It's not just about sitting, it's about becoming one with your motorcycle. The ergonomic 3D contour of our seat supports the natural posture of your back, allowing to integrate with the motorcycle. Riding becomes a relaxing and more enjoyable experience, adding significant boost to your passive safety. And here's a cool feature. Our ThermoPro coating technology keeps the outer layer of the seat up to 25 degrees Celsius or 77 Fahrenheit cooler in direct summer sun compared to standard seats materials. We haven't forgotten the passenger either. Our passenger seat is designed to match perfectly, flowing nicely the unison with the rider seat and providing maximum comfort. Now, let's get technical. Our seats are handcrafted with precision. In addition to our ThermoPro technology, our specialized surface provides optimal grip, preventing sliding around when wet, ensuring a secure ride. We even produce our own seat core, made of high-strength RoBUC designed for durability. You can choose from standard, tall, or low seat heights. And the design? It's sleek and bold, with black and black-red options. When you select Wunderlich, you are getting a premium product made in small batches and handcrafted with care. It's not just about the comfort, it's also about design and functionality. So, whether you're cruising through the city streets or embarking on long adventures, the Wunderlich AKTIVKOMFORT seats are a key to unlock ultimate comfort and style. Visit our website for more information on this product or many other products. As always, hop on our bike finder on the Wunderlich America website and enter your year, make and model to see what parts we have to enhance your ride. If you have any questions, please feel free to pick up the phone and call us at 828-489-3747 or shoot us an email at info@wunderlichamerica.com. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to speed on all future videos when they hit the channel. Stay tuned as we continue bringing you the industry's best motorcycle parts and accessories. I'm Jan, ride safe and ride in style and confidence with Wunderlich.